Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily put a picture on the green screen in Shotcut. So first, just have your picture ready on the main track in here, and then just add the green screen as overlay. So here, click on the overlay at the bottom, add overlay, and then here I'm going to use green screen from the stock videos in Shotcut. So I'm going to add this green screen, the phone device, click on add. Okay, now drag the color picker here, adjust the intensity and also the shadow, and when you're done, just click on the check icon. So I'm going to adjust the size like this, and if you want, you can adjust the position of the main photo like this. So this is the result, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.